Wait, before you buy a Fire TV device or before you throw your current Fire TV into frustration mode, you need to hear this. In the next 10 minutes, I'm going to break down the real pros and cons of Fire TV devices. Not marketing talk, not sponsored hype. Pure real-world experience collected from forums, Reddit threads, tech websites, YouTube comments, and long-term users. Stay till the end because some hidden tricks can completely change how your Fire TV performs. This video is created using AI assistance, but every single solution is 100% authentic, tested, and workable. Watch the full video carefully, and you will be able to solve most Fire TV problems by yourself. If you face any difficulty, drop a comment and I will try to reply within 1 hour. If this video helps you, please like, share, and subscribe to Tech Vibes. Now let us start. Fire TV devices are popular because they are affordable, compact, and deeply integrated with Amazon services. You get Fire TV Stick Lite, Fire TV Stick, Fire TV Stick 4K, Fire TV Cube, and Fire TV built-in televisions. The biggest advantage is value for money. For a very low price, you get access to Netflix, Prime Video, YouTube, Disney+, and thousands of applications. One major pro is performance compared to price. Fire TV Stick 4K supports 4K resolution, Dolby Vision, Dolby Atmos, and HDR10. For most users, this is more than enough for daily streaming. Another strong pro is Alexa voice control. You can say open Netflix, play YouTube, increase volume, or search movies using voice. For non-technical users, this feels magical. Fire TV devices also support sideloading. That means you can install applications that are not available on the Amazon App Store. This is extremely powerful for advanced users. You can install media players, IPTV apps, browser apps, and utility tools. Now let us talk about the real cons, which most YouTubers avoid. The biggest complaint from users is lag and slowdown over time. Out of the box, Fire TV feels smooth. After 3 to 6 months, many users experience sluggish navigation, delayed app opening, and freezing. This happens because Fire TV has limited RAM and storage. Background services keep running, cache keeps growing, Amazon services keep syncing. Another major con is ads. Yes, Fire TV is filled with promotional banners. Home screen ads cannot be fully removed without workarounds. This annoys many users. Wi-Fi performance is another common issue. Fire TV uses compact internal antennas. If your router is far away, you may face buffering even with fast internet. Bluetooth audio delay is also reported by many users. When using wireless headphones or speakers, lip sync issues appear. Now let us move to the most important part. Real tricks and solutions that actually work. First trick, reduce lag and speed up Fire TV. Go to Settings, then go to Applications, then go to Manage Installed Applications. Open each heavy app like Prime Video, Netflix, YouTube. Click Force Stop, then click Clear Cache. Do not click Clear Data unless necessary. Second trick, disable unnecessary background apps. Go to Settings, then go to Applications, then go to App Store. Turn off automatic updates. Then go to Settings, then go to Preferences, then go to Featured Content. Turn off Allow Video Autoplay. Turn off Allow Audio Autoplay. This alone reduces lag massively. Third trick, improve Wi-Fi stability. If your router supports dual band, always use 5 GHz instead of 2.4 GHz. 5 GHz gives better speed and less interference. If router distance is high, consider a HDMI extender cable for Fire TV Stick. This moves the device away from television interference. Fourth trick, change DNS for better streaming. Go to Settings, then go to Network. Select your Wi-Fi network and press Menu button. Choose Advanced. Set IP settings to manual. Set DNS 1 to 8.8.8.8. Set DNS 2 to 8.8.4.4. This often improves buffering and app loading. Fifth trick, fix storage full problem. Fire TV has very limited storage, around 5 to 6 GB usable. Install a lightweight file manager. Delete unused apps regularly. Clear cache once a week. Avoid installing too many live wallpaper apps. Sixth trick, disable data-hungry features. Go to Settings, then go to Preferences, then go to Privacy Settings. Turn off device usage data, turn off collect app usage data, turn off interest-based ads. Seventh trick, fix Bluetooth audio delay. Use wired headphones if possible. If using Bluetooth, go to Settings, then go to Controllers and Bluetooth devices. Reconnect the device after restarting Fire TV. Some apps handle audio sync better than others. Eighth trick, restart Fire TV weekly. This sounds simple, but it works. Go to Settings, then go to My Fire TV, then go to Restart. This clears temporary memory and refreshes background processes. Now let us talk about who should buy Fire TV and who should avoid it. Fire TV is perfect for casual streamers. If you watch Netflix, Prime Video, YouTube, and occasional apps, Fire TV is great. If you love voice control, Alexa integration is a big plus. Fire TV is not ideal for heavy multitasking users. If you install many apps, run IPTV, use browser heavily, and expect flagship performance, you may get frustrated. Fire TV Cube performs better than Fire TV Stick. It has more RAM, faster processor, and better thermal handling. If budget allows, Cube is a smarter long-term choice. Now an honest comparison. Fire TV versus Android TV. Fire TV has better Alexa integration and tighter Amazon ecosystem. Android TV has cleaner interface and more customization without workarounds. Performance depends on device model, not just operating system. Final verdict: Fire TV devices are not perfect. But with proper setup, regular maintenance, and smart tweaks, they can deliver excellent performance for the price. If you use the tricks shared in this video, you can reduce lag, improve streaming quality, and extend device life significantly. If you still face issues, comment below with your exact problem. Mention your Fire TV model and issue clearly. I will try to respond within 1 hour. If this video helped you even a little, please like this video, share it with friends who use Fire TV. Subscribe to Tech Vibes for more honest and practical tech guides. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.